Welcome to EPCO. I like working at EPCO because the people are nice. I like the job very much. I love being on the whip line, that's my favorite.
Hi, my favorite part about working at EPCO and manufacturing is the people. We have great people here. We have a good time together. We enjoy getting lots of work done and doing our jobs really well.
Lo que más me gusta de la empresa es la forma como nos tratan acá, que es muy amable, nos sentimos muy a gusto y trabajamos con mucho amor porque nos dan también mucho amor, mucho cariño y estamos muy contentos aquí trabajando con ustedes.
Bueno, a mí me gustan todas las estaciones de trabajo, todas las posiciones, todo lo que me toca hacer, ejecutar en el trabajo. Lo entendí muy rápido y tenemos una supervisora que es excelente, nos ha ayudado en todo y así como ella, todo el personal de la empresa nos ha tratado muy bien. Estoy muy a gusto aquí en el trabajo. Muchas gracias.
My favorite part about manufacturing is the team and the teamwork that is put into it.
I really love Echo because look like the family and I can talk and can joking and laughing and have fun at a short time.
Our employees and our production workers, they come in early, they do what they need to do, they get the orders out, and they're versatile, they're knowledgeable, and they build a good product.
One of the things I like about this company is the opportunities for advancement and the things that I was able to learn in the manufacturing roles that I can take to my current positions.
One of the best parts about working at EPCO is the variety. There's always a new project with a new challenge, and the people are really cool too.